Generally when we're speaking about cosmetic and restorative dentistry, people think about fixing the teeth, and that's a very important part of your overall health. We also have to consider the gums and how they relate to the teeth. A lot of times by restoring broken down teeth that have decay in them, old restorations, old amalgams, and making a nicer emergence from where the teeth are coming out from the gums, that will help the gums heal. Because new surfaces of ceramic or composite makes itself easier to clean, and there's less plaque that can build up on the surfaces of the newly restored teeth. So having good healthy gums does lend itself to overall body health. I think it's a very important aspect of dentistry that's probably not talked about as much as it should be, yet it does help you out in the long term of overall body health.